Today I want to talk about something that completely changed how my face looks in the morning when I wake up. So this is the Cosmetics stainless steel lymphatic drainage applicator. I love this tool. It's just such a big part of my routine, but I want to tell you why it actually works and what it's doing. So your face has over 300 lymph nodes. That's more than half the amount in your entire body. Um, these tiny filters, they sit right underneath the skin. But what's the problem? Okay, so your lymphatic system, it doesn't have any pump like the blood. So that's going to push the fluid through. Well, your lymph doesn't get that. So it only moves when you move your muscles or you breathe. And let's be honest, a lot of us are sitting too much. So that fluid is building up. Um, so we have to do something about this because every single day, 3 liters of fluid leak from your blood vessels into your tissues. And that fluid, it doesn't get drained efficiently. It's going to sit there and you'll get that puffiness, especially in the morning. So this is where this beautiful tool comes right in. Because the lymphatic vessels, they're so close to the surface, even light, simple, precise pressure physically pushes the stagnant fluid towards the nearest lymph nodes and just right out of your face. There was a study of women in Korea, and they used the gua sha tools for 8 weeks. They saw their faces visibly slim by 2 millimeters, and that you can actually see. You're like, okay, it's working. So another Japanese study used CT scans, and this showed that consistent facial massage actually made cheek tissue measurably thinner and lifted it upward. This is what we want. It's something you can do at home, and it's not magic. It's just the fluid being moved. So this beautiful ADA applicator is making it so much easier to do it because you can use this to apply your products. So it keeps them much more clean, it pushes them into the skin better, and as we're going to go into in the next videos, I'm going to show you how to do a beautiful lymphatic drainage as part of your morning routine. So that sculpted jawline and snatched look that you get after a session, it usually lasts anywhere from a few hours up to 8 hours. It's a beautiful temporary fluid shift that's like perfect to do before photos or events or just starting your day looking amazing. When you use this consistently though, to apply your skincare and your makeup, those daily wins, they start adding up. Your face just looks snatched. That's what the kids call it. We'll go with that. Your skin looks brighter, your contours appear sharper. That constant morning puffiness is not happening. So now this tool does not replace exercise, drinking water, and getting enough sleep. Those are foundational. But this is the most luxurious, effective way to get your lymphatic system the help it needs every day. So if you're tired of waking up bloated, puffy, with stagnant face, and it doesn't feel good. So it's not just like how we look, it's also you feel it, you feel oofy. Yeah, if you're tired of that, definitely get this tool. Ada Cosmetics stainless steel applicator for the win. It's the best on the market. It's super ergonomic. I love it. Okay, so check out the next videos. I'm going to go into how you use this beautiful thing to get your face totally looking